Before getting into the video on what kind of importance the statement of purpose plays in your application, let me tell you a small story. Well, before going into the story, for those of you who do not know me, my name is Vivek and I host this channel. I'm a Fall 21 prospective student. So let's go on to see what the story is. The story is about a middle class, young, talented and sensitive guy who is calm and silent. He goes on to take part in one of the regional college from his locality and studies bachelor's in mechanical engineering. So just as most of us do, middle class people follow what their parents say. He goes to pursue masters in United States from some university, and that is related to IT field. So later he goes on to take part in some IT field, and that's it. He works for some years, and later realizes that this is not his field. This is not his field which he's interested to work. So he later decides to resign his job and take part in what interests him the most. He tries to apply to film institutes, and on the way he realizes and he applies to Harvard University, which is in Washington. And for those of you who do not know, this is one of the esteemed universities where Kamala Harris or Chadwick Boseman or various other esteemed celebrities have graduated. He goes on to apply to this university, and fortunately he receives an admit in this university. In an interview a couple of years ago, he explains that the statement of purpose which he has submitted to the specific university was the main reason of him getting an admit and landing a seat in that university. He explains why he is interested in filmmaking and what is the reason for him to choose filmmaking, and that's the reason. This is the vital importance of what statement of purpose plays in his application or in any application, because for example in his career he had a complete different background and he was doing a switch in his career, right? And this is one example of how statement of purpose works. And later he went on to become an acclaimed director, and his movies were appreciated for family friendly and lovely feelings which he portrays. The hero of the story, that is the director I have mentioned about, is Shekhar Kamula, and he is one of the South Indian directors in Indian film industry. So I wanted to mention his story to show you the importance of statement of purpose in a student career and in his applications. So let's go on to the main video about statement of purpose and what you need to add in the statement of purpose. Of course, the previous story which I have mentioned is going to take a huge chunk of this video and would have told you what an SOP really is and how it is going to affect you. Let me tell you guys, and let me tell you in a non-cinematic and a textual manner of how statement of purpose is and what statement of purpose is. So statement of purpose, as the word suggests, is a letter which is going to speak on your behalf to the university. It is going to explain your candidature to the university, and it is going to contain every aspect of information about you from academical, co-curricular and various other aspects in a single letter. It is going to explain your candidature to the university for the admission of that specific program. So let's go on to see what SOP really is. SOP ranges from about 1000 to 1500 words, and the word limit depends on two different factors which I consider. The first one is university restriction. For example, many universities or some specific universities give a word limit to how SOP should range. One of my universities mentioned 1000 words. So if they give this condition, the SOP should be restricted to those words, and this is how word limit can be defined. Other words is your personal choice. So the second option is where if the student or you do not want it to be very lengthy, cut off the words and make it 1000 and not more than that. So personally I feel SOP should range between 1000 to 1500 words, and also depending on these two factors. Then what kind of information will a statement of purpose have? Considering the information, there is lot of information in the statement of purpose to be mentioned. Statement of purpose would have your co-curricular activities, your academic activities, your internship activities, your job activities and various other aspects of your career, and how are each and every aspect of these are related to your specialization or to the program which you are applying to any university. So when you are compiling all these things and mentioning it in a letter, it becomes very difficult to add it point wise or explain it in a precise or concise manner, and that is one of the difficulties which we face in statement of purpose. So statement of purpose should have all these aspects mentioned. And coming on to this video, explaining how statement of purpose works and writing completely and telling you what aspects it should have is very difficult in a single video. So I have planned another video as well, which is going to be soon released, and in that video I am going to explain you every aspect from para by para on how I have written my statement of purpose of University of Waterloo and how you need to write to get an admit or to support your application in a most possible manner. And yes, that's it. So in the next parts of the video I'll be explaining you in every aspect how my application was affected and what I have included in my statement of purpose of in complete my career, or what kind of aspects you need to include, what kind of aspects you shouldn't include, and various other details I have mentioned in the next video. So, well, by the time next video comes out, stay tuned to the channel. You need to catch the next video, right? In the meantime, you can check out my other videos as well. Many other videos are starting to roll up soon, and until the next video comes out, stay safe, stay informative. This is Vivek signing off. Thank you so much.